Hey there, and welcome to this tutorial about the different presentation modes in Diggle, full screen and backstage mode. Let's jump in and see how you can use full screen mode to deliver clean, professional presentations. Full screen mode in Diggle is designed to eliminate distractions by hiding all menus, sidebars, and extra controls from your screen. This ensures your audience's attention stays on your content. Full screen mode is the default presentation mode in Diggle. You open it by clicking the Present button in the Builder or the Play arrow in the company workspace. In full screen mode, you can control your presentation smoothly by using your keyboard arrows to navigate your slides and keyboard shortcuts to show your results. The extra controls are hidden in the Settings menu and are accessible by hovering over the menu at the bottom of your screen. You can also access the timeline on the left-hand side of your screen if you want to make jumps in the presentation. For the interactive slides, you can interact with the results layouts as a presenter when the replies are coming in. Click on the layout to bring up interesting information, like full text replies or which of the participants has chosen the option. You can also view individual replies using the audience icon in the top right corner. To exit full screen mode, press the Escape key on your keyboard or click the Exit Full Screen button on the menu bar. Backstage mode gives you a private space to manage your session without revealing your actions to participants. It's like having a control room behind the scenes. To enable Backstage mode, click the drop-down menu next to the Present button in the Builder and select Present from Backstage. You can also access the Backstage view from the full screen mode by clicking the button at the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to the Backstage interface, where you can access tools and settings while your participants remain focused on the main presentation. It will also open a separate presentation window, which you can move to an external screen for your participants. A key feature of Backstage mode is the ability to preview upcoming slides before you show them to your audience, called Sneak Peek. When activating this feature, the presentation screen is detached from the Backstage view, allowing you to move freely between slides and results, while your participants are still working on the same slide as where you left them. When disengaging Sneak Peek, you can either return to the slide where you activated it or start again at your currently viewed slide. Backstage mode also gives you complete control over participant management. You can view the list of participants, moderate text answers, and move lazy participants without your audience noticing any interruptions. You can also send notifications to all your participants. And, like in full screen mode, you can interact with your results directly in the preview window by clicking them. If you want to return to full screen mode, click the Backstage View button, and you'll seamlessly switch back to the regular presentation view. And that's how you present in Diggle. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more Diggle tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and happy diggling!